Hello everybody, Nikki White here, and here's a super quick and informal video to make sure that you get reservations at the Kirby Cafe in Tokyo. It's no surprise that the slots fill up for this super quick, and I can tell you from experience, it's like super quick, like within the first 3 minutes quick. So what you're gonna have to do is on the 10th of each month, that's when the slots open up for the next month. So for example, today, October 10th is the 10th of the month, so that means the November slots opened. So what you have to do is go onto the reservation website and you have to wait for 6 p.m. Tokyo time. Okay, so make sure that whatever your local time is, that you're ready to go for 6 p.m. on the 10th of the month, Tokyo time. So go to the reservation page and you'll probably notice that a few minutes leading up to the reservation, the usual reservation button is going to be missing. It's going to say no reservations available. There's going to be no button, but don't panic. At 6 p.m. Tokyo time, the button's going to come back. You click on that and then all the slots will now be available and you just got to pick quick. I was able just to use my name. I didn't have to put in any Japanese characters. Didn't ask for an address, just name, phone number. For my phone number, I put a 1 before the number since I am foreign. And that was it. I got my reservation. I got the slot that I wanted. And within 3 minutes, everything was booked up. So good luck. And I hope you guys get it and enjoy your time at the Kirby Cafe.